Hey everyone, it's Layla here. I'm back, and as promised I am doing my Valentine's tutorial, although it's kind of like an anti-Valentine's tutorial. Anyway, you'll see. So to start off with, it's just an eye makeup tutorial. So I'm using the Revolution Pro Concealer to prime my eyelids. I love this to prime my eyelids, it works so well. And then I'm just blending that out with a mini beauty blender. I love this one, it's so cute. And the palette I'm going to be using is the James Charles X Morphe palette. Absolutely in love with this palette. It is incredible and so worth it. So I'm starting off with the colour Boutique, and I'm just running that in and out of my crease just to set the base colour. I potentially could have gone with something lighter, but because the red that I'm going for is going to be quite dark, I wanted to set the tone and make it quite like a dark transition colour. So yeah, I just basically went back and forth and put that into my crease. And then I took the colour You're Kidding, which is this lovely red colour, and this is really going to make up the most part of this look. And yeah, so I just went back and forth where I put the purple colour and just kept blending that in. I also took the colour Boutique, which is kind of like a shimmery purple, but I felt like it added something a little bit extra rather than it just being quite like a bright red. I wanted it to be a little darker. And then obviously I'm doing a cut crease, so I took the Revolution Pro Conceal, and yeah, I just basically carved out my crease with that. I did a full cut crease, so it wasn't a half or anything. And I then took the colour Spooky, which is this matte black. It's actually one of the darkest blacks I've ever seen, and it's so pigmented. I love it so much. And I basically wanted to use this to contrast against the red, so I used this as my base colour for my lid. Although, looking back, I probably should have gone in with a lighter colour to set the concealer before doing that. And then I just lined my lid with the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner. I then wanted to go on top with like a red liner, but I didn't have one. So instead I used this red liquid lipstick from NYX. It's in the colour Amsterdam. Although I do kind of regret using it a little bit because I don't think it was very noticeable, and yeah, I don't think it added much to the look. So I then did my other eye with magic, and then more magic because I put on my lashes. I then went in and lined my eyelids with this red lip liner from BH Cosmetics in the colour Delight. I wanted my eyeliner to be red, just to not to contrast, but to add in with the red. And then under my eyes I blended in the black colour that we used earlier. Make sure that you really blend this in, otherwise you end up looking a bit like a panda, and obviously that's not the goal. I also went in with the same red that I used as well. So it's really just a red and black look basically, but I thought it was kind of a little bit spooky / anti-Valentines, and I really liked it. After I put mascara on, I went in with this Ink Me tattoo liner from Rimmel. It's just a heart liner, but as you can see, I did it a little bit wrong at first. It's not that I did it wrong, but I wasn't very precise with it, so I had to go back again. And that's the finished look. I used a Morphe red lipstick for my lips, just to tie everything together. And yeah, that's it, everything finished. So I hope you guys have a lovely Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing, whether you're single, in a relationship with your duvet, as some people are. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.